Good afternoon, ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Today's story unfolds with the U.S. stock market surging towards unprecedented highs, propelled by robust earnings from tech titans Meta and Microsoft, fueling optimism in artificial intelligence investments. Simultaneously, we see a shift in focus towards after-hours reports from Apple and Amazon, while also keeping an eye on the non-farm payroll report and a looming tariff deadline. A surprising move from President Trump, reducing tariffs on copper, caused U.S. prices to plummet by over 20%, sending ripples through the global ex-copper miners ETF for its biggest weekly decline since early April. This decision reversed the premium enjoyed by the U.S. market and adds an intriguing twist to our ongoing investment narrative. Despite this unexpected turn of events, major indices like the S&P 500 and Dow Jones are on pace for a third consecutive monthly rise. The Nasdaq Composite is aiming for a fourth straight monthly gain, signaling resilience in the face of unforeseen circumstances. On Thursday, the tech-centric indices hit record highs, driven by strong earnings from Microsoft and Meta platforms, while inflation increased as expected, signaling ongoing price pressures that justify the Fed's decision not to cut rates. Attention now focuses on Friday's non-farm payrolls report and a looming tariff deadline, which could significantly impact market sentiment. Easing global trade war fears, U.S. economic resilience, and renewed AI optimism have Wall Street set for its longest winning streak in nearly a year. In the background, the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut bets are on a roller coaster following Chair Jerome Powell's recent statement. Traders now question 2 rate cuts this year, after Powell downplayed the likelihood of a September cut. Today's economic indicators suggest the Federal Reserve's decision to maintain interest rates was justified. The PCE price index showed a 0.3% monthly increase and a 2.6% yearly rise, with core inflation at 2.8%. These figures exceeded expectations, indicating rising prices due in part to tariffs. Consumer spending increased, but only in line with price hikes, particularly for gasoline. The upcoming July employment report is expected to show a gain of 110,000 jobs and an unemployment rate of 4.2%. Factory activity in the Midwest continues to contract, albeit at a shallower pace than expected. These trends may complicate expectations for interest rate cuts in September or October. In other news, European liquor could face a potential 15% tariff, while Trump struck a deal with South Korea to reduce their import tariff to 15%. U.S. appeals court judges have questioned the validity of Trump's tariffs under emergency powers. Among other stocks, Applied Digital saw a significant rise after surpassing quarterly revenue estimates. Overall, while tech earnings have boosted market optimism, ongoing trade tensions and inflation concerns persist, making for a complex investment landscape that requires careful navigation. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for the latest updates and expert insights.